In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom SKU labels to eBay listings. A custom SKU or stock keeping unit is your private product code. It helps you track inventory, storage locations, and variations without changing what buyers see. When you add it to your listing, you make picking, packing, and reporting faster and more accurate. Start on eBay and click Sell at the top of the page to open your seller workspace. From there, go to Drafts and select Resume Draft on the listing you want to update. Working in a draft is a safe way to make changes before anything goes live. With the draft editor open, look near your title and listing details. You should see a field labeled Custom Label SKU. This field is visible only to you. It won't appear on the buyer's page. Click into it and type the SKU you use for this item. Keep your SKU short, consistent, and meaningful so you can recognize it at a glance. Many sellers combine a category, a variation, and a location, like TS Red M B12 for a red medium t-shirt in bin B12. Avoid spaces and special characters, and don't include personal information. If you already track products with barcodes or a spreadsheet, enter the exact same SKU here to keep everything in sync. If your listing has variations, use a pattern that uniquely identifies each choice so you always pick the right item. You can also mirror the codes on your physical shelf labels or bins, so the SKU you type points directly to where the product lives. The clearer the code, the faster you'll be when orders come in. After you enter it, eBay stores the SKU with the listing, and you'll see it in Seller Hub, in order details, and on pick lists or packing slips that support custom labels. That's it. Click Sell, resume your draft, go to the title area and enter your custom label, also called your SKU. A few seconds here can save minutes on every order. Thanks for watching and happy selling.